doesn't love a spot of afternoon tea? With mini sandwiches and cakes, what's not to love? Well, what if I told you you could have afternoon tea whenever by simply popping down to the end of your garden? Hi, I'm Laura. Here at Waltons Garden Buildings, we are passionate about helping you make the most of your garden, which is why today I'm going to show you how to transform your log cabin into the perfect tea room. We've chosen the 4x3 Dove log cabin for our tea room thanks to its large windows and double doors, not to mention the thick matchboard walls. A tea room needs to be a warm and inviting space. Plenty of windows to let the sunshine in, but with sturdy walls to keep all the warmth inside. This cabin has been upgraded with UPVC windows and doors, a material known for being low maintenance. We've chosen anthracite, but it's also available in white and oak. Also featuring a high apex roofline, perfect for tall storage or overhead lighting. This log cabin is made from 44mm thick walls, which is the thickest we do, meaning it will stay warm all year round, even when it's too cold to enjoy your garden. Once you've got your building set up, it's time to choose the aesthetics. We find it's best to reflect your own personal style. This is meant to be a space you want to spend time in after all. We've gone for a retro chic look to pay homage to the invention of afternoon tea and to add a pop of colour into our cabin. To make the most of this space, we've created 3 different sections: a tea room, a reading nook and a knitting corner. For the tea room section, we upcycled this cabinet from Facebook Marketplace. Obviously we painted it pink, as it goes with everything, and we added some new drawer handles. We managed to find a complete fine china set in a charity shop, which is not only practical, but also makes for the perfect display. Of course, a tea room wouldn't be complete without a table and chairs, ready for when you want to catch up with a friend over a cup of tea and some cake. For the reading nook, we got this sofa from Facebook Marketplace, which perfectly matches our aesthetic. Add in some cushions and you're good to go. We recycled an old crate to hold all of our books and added a lamp so we can use the cabin for some late night reading. If you want to find out more about getting electricity into your log cabin, check out some of our helpful blogs. Of course, now we needed to store all of our knitting supplies, so we decided to upcycle these tables to match the tea cabinet. Now all of our knitting supplies are all in one place, ready for when we need to knit a scarf for Christmas. All that's left now is some wall art.
There you have it, your very own garden tea room. If you want some more tips on how to decorate your garden building, we've got plenty of videos and articles for you to check out. Be sure to follow us on social media, and I'll see you next time.